Hi guys, this is Justin Blue TV. Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Sa lahat ng nanonood po sa mga oras ito, sa lahat ng nakikinig. Again, this is Justin Blue TV and I'm just here to greet Madam Flor Delita a happy birthday. And I'm wishing you all the best in life, lalo na ngayong araw na to. Sana ikaw ang pinakamaganda at pinakamasayang nilalang sa mundong ito dahil araw mo ito. And of course, yung continued good health yung gusto ko sana i-wish sa'yo kasi I believe pag meron tayong magandang pangangatawan, pag magandang kalusugan, everything else will follow smoothly. So, and yes, of course, ay naisip ko rin na sana masaya ka, sana kung may buhay pag-ibig ka ngayon, sana mag-continue lang yan. Kung wala naman, sana makaharap at dumating na ang lalaki talagang magpapakibok na muli sa iyong puso. Alright, Madam Flor Delita, happy birthday once again and enjoy your grand birthday live stream. This is Jesse Blue TV once again. At kasabi sa inyo, paalam na muna at babalik ako. Kita-kits po sa GLS po ng Madam Flor Delita. Well everyone, Madam Flor, happy birthday once again. This is for you. Bye!
Hi, this is Flor Delita. This is Tricky Brandy. I'm here to say happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. And just to let you know that I'm always here for you. When you need someone to talk to, don't worry, confidential is confidential. It cannot be shared. I'm one of a trusted friend right here whenever you need it. And let's have fun with our YouTube channel. And thank you always for being there for me too. May all your wishes come true. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, shoutout. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ang ating mahal na kaibigan dito sa White World, Lalabs Flor Delita. May you have many more birthdays to come at sana bigyan ka pa ng Lord ng mahabang at masayang buhay. At sana magandang kalusugan lagi. Sana din, maging successful kayo sa iyong private life at dito sa White World. I wish you to be happy always. Thank you so much for the gift of friendship. Kahit hindi man tayo nakita ng personal, pero ano pa sa puso ko kasi napakabait niyo po. Maraming salamat na hindi po kayo nagbago simula nung nakilala kita dito sa White World. Dahil dyan kakantahan ko kita. Happy birthday. And this is for you. Interlabasan version. Para sa'yo. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I thought that you were enjoy your day. Thank you so much for this opportunity to greet you a happy, happy birthday. Love you, Lalab's Floor. Enjoy.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And mabuhay kayong lahat. Ayan. Andito po ako sa inyong harapan para batiin ang ating kapatid, kaibigan na nagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan, ng special day niya ngayon. Si Ate Flor Delita. Yan. Ate Flor Delita, happy birthday. May the God bless you always, good health, and more candle to blows. Ayan. At more subscriber and friend here in YT. Ito para sa iyo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Ngayon ay birthday mo, ikaw ay masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa'yo. Yan. Happy birthday, Ate Flor Delita.
Hello everyone, ako nga pala si Mix Traveler. Pero mga papayang babatiin na happy birthday kay kapatita kay Ma'am Flor Delita. And happy birthday sa iyo, Ma'am Flor Delita. More blessing and more birthday to come. At lagi kang gabayan ng ating ama na Panginoon na huwag pagkasakit. Bigyan na lagi ng malakas at malusog na pangatawan. At yun, at lagi ka po na sa iyong trabaho, laban lang at wag agad-agad susuko. Lagi lang pray kay God. At yun, happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Flor Delita. Thank you and God bless you all. Jarang, happy birthday again. Bye-bye.